Introduction. We want to find out about the relationship between the amount of time that the coil wire and voltage that affect the number of paperclip was picked up by magnetic force created. Hypothesis. In our opinion, we think if we increase the voltage and amount of time which wire coiled, the amount of paperclip picked up will increase, as you see in chart. Materials: wire, nail, power supply, and paper clips. Experiment: coil the wire on nail 20 times. Clip both ends of the wire, connect them to the power supply. Turn on the power supply on 2 volts and 5 volts respectively. Put the nail in the box of paperclip and count the number of paperclips that nail picks up. Write down the data. Then we repeat those steps again, but this time coil the wire on nail 30 times and write down the data again.
Observation. For our observation, we recorded that for 2 volt and 20 coils of wire, we get 2 paper clips. For 30 coils of wire, we get 3 paper clips. For 5 volts and 20 coils, we get 4 paper clips, and for 30 volts, we get 6 paper clips. Conclusion. We concluded that the amount of coils and the amount of voltage will affect the amount of magnetism of the nail. If we have a large voltage and many coils on the nail, we would able to pick up more paper clips. Like in this video, we are able to pick up more paper clips by using 5 volts and 30 coils of wire. Evaluation. It was a good experiment, but we could have done better by wearing gloves. Because when we set up the power supply to 5 volts, the wire gets hot and we have to leave the wire immediately, and we didn't get the exact number of paper clip being picked up. Electromagnet in real life. Our first example is speakers. They change the electrical signal and transform it into sound waves so humans can hear it. So the electromagnet inside the speaker helps to complete the circuit so electricity can flow through it. So it would create an electrical signal. Our second example is doorbells. When you press the doorbell button, you complete an electrical circuit inside. The magnetic field that is generated by the electromagnet then is used to power and creates the doorbell sound. Our last example is the maglev train. This train relies on the attraction and repulsion of magnetic poles to float, and the spacing coil with gaps repel the train as it passes over.